How to create an account in Figma. Figma is a powerful design tool that's perfect for UI UX designers, and the best part, it's free to get started. So let's dive right in. Also, if you want more smoother experience in Figma, then you have to make sure you have the Figma app downloaded on your desktop or PC. And if you don't know how to do that, you don't need to worry at all. Just go to the right top corner right now. In the screen, you can see an icon there. I have linked the video there on how to download Figma on your desktop. So you can simply tap into that. So let's get started with the video. First, open up your web browser and let's tap into the search bar and let's type in figma.com and tap in there. And now you'll be greeted with the home page. Once you're on the home page, just look up for the sign up button, or usually at the top right corner you can see a button that says get started for free. Simply tap into that and this prompt will appear, this pop-up bar. You can either type in your email and continue with your email, or you can also continue with Google. I think it will be more easier to continue with Google, so let's tap in there. And now let's choose that. Let's hit continue. Now it's loading. If you're going with the email, you can simply type in your email address, and you have to look for your email for the confirmation and type in all your personal information. Since I went with Google, it will be more easier and faster, I guess. So once you filled all those things, okay, now all you have to do is tap in your name. Let's type in our own name and hit continue. And what kind of work do you do? You can totally choose your own. So I'm going to type in a student and continue, higher education, or yeah. So let's type in freelancer, continue, students and educators, continue, and invite them to learn. Let's skip this part. You can also do that. What brings you to Figma today? You have to, okay, looking for a new work tool. Have you used Figma products before? No, it's my first time. Let's continue. So you have to make sure you tap into the starter and let's hit continue again. Let's design with Figma and tap finish, and there you go. Once you fill the required details, and you might need to accept Figma's terms of service and privacy policy. After that, this is it. And congratulations, you've just created your Figma account. Now you'll be taken to Figma dashboard, which is this one right here, where you can start creating designs right away. And yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to create an account in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. If you have any questions about using Figma, drop them in the comments below. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.